What's up? It's me, Myla, and I'm back with another video. Wondering why my eye is swollen? It's because I'm allergic to peanut butter and I ate some peanut butter yesterday. Milo, little Milo. I'm low-key kind of addicted to chipotle sauce. So ew, my nails look awful. But anyway, I'm looking up like, I don't even drink all that coffee, but I'm looking up like a whole bunch of recipes and stuff and like trying to figure out like what I can do. It's this thing called chipotle, and I did not take Spanish. I do not want to butcher that word, but don't have any of those ingredients, so we're gonna figure it out. Disgusting. I have no idea what I'm doing. Corn syrup. I don't think that goes in there. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna go well. Basically tried to take an accumulation of everything that I saw online that we might have had, and I lost my train of thought. So do I make this stuff like in a pot? Should I put it all in a blender? What does my face look like in here? This is a game changer, people. We might actually be able to do this. What? Oh man. Oh goodness. This stuff is thick.
Why do we get that big pot?
I don't want to wash that little pot.
No, you're so lazy. Do you have corn on yours?
Nope. I hate corn.
So you don't have corn. Okay, so this is yours.
I don't know. Paprika. Chili powder.
Where'd you get that? Oh!
Honey. Vinegar. Still red. Does that matter? Apple cider vinegar. God's holy grail. Howling through my mind to say, let the storm rage on. I haven't seen her since Glee. I put that on everything. This is what it's looking like. A big pot of, yeah, but it's missing something though, like. I think I did it. Yay, the chips up. Not my sauce. Here it is. I made my own chipotle sauce. I'm gonna let it sit in the fridge for, I don't know, a minute. Probably longer than that. And well, I hope you enjoyed that video of, you know, me messing up chipotle sauce, but it's still good, right, Jerome? Right. The public has spoken. My mouth is on fire. Subscribe! I like saying Worcestershire sauce. Oh, Worcestershire sauce.